Hi guys, good morning. Jaywalking here and andito ngayon tayo sa Greenfield Portal. So meron tayong LSD with Dito RC with a collaboration of Ayala Marathon Philippines. So nag-collab sila for this LSD kasi it's like a training for the upcoming Ayala Marathon. At the same time, susundin namin yung training block ng PBR, which is 1.5 hour lang yung gugulin namin for today. So maaga tayo ngayon, 4:30 or 45 na, and around 5:30 mag-start. So hintay-hintay na lang tayo, and mamaya may paraffle na race kit for Ayala Marathon. But since na wala ako sa time na sa day ng Ayala Marathon, February 22, so I'm not interested for the free race kit. So let's go. So yun guys, type check 5:30. Marami na kami ngayon dito sa Portal Greenfield, and andito na din yung team ni Run Rio for this event. It's just a simple easy run lang. So maraming hindi ka mahulog. So for today, I'm a sweeper for advance 6:30 na pace. So maganda guys maging sweeper kasi hindi mo kailangan mag-maintain ng speed. Hindi mo kailangan mag-maintain ng speed kasi yung pace mo nakadepende din sa pinakalas na runner. So ngayon, hanggat may naiiwan na runner, ando ka lang sa likod, mabagal ka lang. Kaya maganda maging sweeper, pero makakapagod pa rin. Pagkain. Sarap kumain guys. Gutom na ako. Damn, and we're done. 13K, 1 hour and 30 minutes run. Makakapagod siya guys, and pahinga lang and cool down later, and mamaya paraffle na ng Ayala Marathon. So though hindi naman ako nag-expect na manalo kasi wala din naman ako that day sa Manila, so okay lang naman hindi ako manalo sa Ayala Marathon. So pagod, ang init. So yun yung ating day 2 week 5 of ultra training natin.
And then tomorrow, I will try to go to St. Martin and St. Paul for LSD with uphill and heat training na din. So sana magawa kong pumunta doon ng tanghali or around 2 kung mainit-init pa para makapag heat training din because I badly needed heat training, uphill training, LSD mileage. So I only have 2 months before my race. So I have to train hard. Makatamad nga lang. Anyway, yun lang guys. That's our day 2, 8-5. Pagod. Antok. Gutom.